go, girl. You ready for
I
this?
actually want to go inside.
Alright guys, well we're going to pack up and go get something a little bit bigger than this hill, so we'll see you guys in a second.
What's up guys, it's Trinity here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a cute thumbs up. Today, we're going to do some sledding racing. We're going to see which one's the fastest, the Parrot, or the Pegasus, or the Alicorn.
Who do you think is going to be faster, the Pegasus or the Parrot?
Pegasus!
Pegasus? What about you, Madison?
What about you, sis?
The unicorn.
The unicorn, the Pegasus?
Yeah. The Alicorn.
All right.
Well guys, we'll see you when we get there.
That is so cool.
The Pegasus is winner. What do you think?
How was it? What'd you think?
Are you over there? For bigger? Ready? Set, go!
Oh no!
Okay, get off.
Ooh.
I'll carry it up myself.
All right.
I can take it.
I'll carry this one.
It's so deep. Are you sure you don't want to,
Ready? Ready? Set, go!
Aaron.
What was that, Trin?
I thought you were gonna take a tumble there, girl. Like face first.
You're supposed to sit on top of the bird, not under it. All right. So which one was? Come on.
Wow.
Yeah, the Parrot isn't quite as good, guys. It's got these. Let's slow it down. So we're probably just gonna put the Parrot up for now and ride on the Pegasus. You wanna go over there? All right, so Trin sees a little bit bigger hill, so we might have to go for a walk. Hey Trin, was that better than the little hill?
Yeah.
What do you think, Madison? Hey, what do you think?
Yeah.
How many thumbs up? Woo! That's a mitten. You guys want to do that again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
All right, Mom's gonna go in front of us this time.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Woo! Oh. Goose, we went farther that time. Okay, girls, you ready?
Get out, everybody! Okay, wait. Alright, guys, I'm gonna race the Pegasus, okay? Alright.
You might win, Trin. You got some blue flames. All right, Madison and Mom.
We're ready.
Madison, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Who's gonna win, you or Trin?
Me.
Okay, ready? Okay, ready? And they're off. And Pegasus is the winner. All right, so this one is gonna be me on Pegasus versus the two girls on the sled. Maybe if they have two people, maybe they'll have a chance to win. All right, girls, you ready?
Yeah.
Set?
Go.
Go, Mom. All right, so we got one more race that we're gonna do for you guys. We got Trinity and Madison on the Pegasus. Madison, you're gonna race Mom on sled. Who's gonna win, you and Trin or Mom?
Yes, right.
You guys? Okay. She looks like she's ready to take a nap. You gonna win, Trin?
Yeah.
All right, got Mom over here on the sled. Are you girls ready?
Yeah!
All right, start those engines. All right, ready? Get set.
On my belly.
Go!
Oh no! Yay, you won!
Looks like Trinity and Madison won. Pegasus is the winner. If you guys want a Pegasus, we'll put a link down below for you. What's up, Pegasus winners? Madison, did you win?
No! Your feet and snow.
Are your hands getting cold? All right, we better let Trin go one more time and then we'll go, okay?
I don't want to go.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
All right, we got Trin up there. All right, try to run into me. Let's see if you can get me. All right, we got the last one here of the day. Okay, here she comes. No? She thinks she's gonna get me. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, you missed me. Alright, so this was fun with the Pegasus, but if you guys want us to see us go down the hill on a 10-foot tall SpongeBob, let us know in the comments and we'll do that tomorrow.
Actually, guys, we are having so much fun right now sledding that we are going to go back home as soon as we are done here, empty off the camera since it's getting full, and then we are going to come back out and go sledding on SpongeBob. Hopefully the girls like it. So make sure you guys check back later on the channel because we will have another sledding video up for you guys.
Well, that was the video for today. Come down for Pegasus, for Trinity, and Madison. If you think we won, come down for Mom and Dad if they won the sled or the Parrot or the Pegasus. The bouncy Pegasus. Well, guys, I hope you guys watched the sledding video. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, put that bell, subscribe to my channel. Bye!